What I'm going to show you in this video will blow your mind. And only if you follow the methods that I will show you, then there is a good possibility that you'll have your financial freedom today. If you're the type of person who's always watching videos on how to make money online, this brand new method will be perfect for you. The money that you can earn from this is somewhere around $40,000 per month. And if you believe that's unrealistic, take a look at my earnings as shown here. I've only been doing this for a few days and I've always been able to make this much money, and it's not even that hard. Because all you have to do is to share some links. Imagine if you try this for a month. The earning potential with this brand new technique is limitless. Somewhere in this video, I'll share some unique bonus tips with you that will allow you to earn even more, so make sure to stay till the very end. But before that, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. Okay, take a look at all these campaigns right here. We'll be making money using these campaigns, and I'll be teaching you a step-by-step procedure on how to do this. Don't worry, because this website is accessible from all corners of the globe, so you'll be able to make money no matter where you are right now. What's great about this is that you can still earn a lot of money even if you have no experience with online jobs, because the method that I will show you is completely beginner-friendly. To begin, simply go to Kickbooster.me, and you'll be able to see their homepage, which looks like this. What you should do first is hover over users and then click on affiliates right here, which will take you to this page where you can learn more about being an affiliate marketer on this website. It is indicated right here that through this website, you can earn incentives for sharing your projects that you enjoy. You may earn money by creating unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and collecting payments for every successful pledge that comes through those links. Scroll down below to learn more about how Kickbooster works. You may also promote your affiliate links on your blog, social media, email, or wherever else you choose, and watch the commissions roll in. Remember that the more you share, the more you earn. When you scroll down further, you'll see the process of becoming an affiliate marketer for this website, and it's as simple as 4 steps, which I'll walk you through so that you can earn a lot of money from this website. When you scroll down, you'll learn how to become an affiliate marketer for this site, and it's as simple as 4 stages, and I'll go through so you can make money with it. To earn money from this website, you must first sign up for a free account, which takes less than 2 minutes to create and requires no payment. After that, you must select a campaign to advertise. As I mentioned earlier, they have a lot of projects that you can promote and get paid for. You can browse their marketplace to find awesome projects to share, and then begin to spread the word. With a click of a button, you may generate a one-of-a-kind affiliate link and share it with your network, as well as post it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platform. Finally, once you've completed all of the preceding steps, you can sit back, relax, and wait for your commissions to arrive. Don't worry if that was quick for you. I'll show you how to do it step by step later so you don't get confused. A lot of people skip through the video and end up earning nothing, and I don't want that to happen to you because I want you to profit from all the strategies that I'm showing you. So make sure to stay with me all the way through. The first step is to create an affiliate account on Kickbooster. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on this purple button that says Sign Me Up. After clicking that, you'll be redirected to this page for affiliate marketers sign up. Simply complete the fields with your information and don't forget to check the box to agree to their terms and conditions. Then click on the box that says, I'm not a robot, before clicking the submit button. You've just finished creating a Kickbooster affiliate marketer account. After you've signed up, you'll be sent to your dashboard where you can check how much money you've made from affiliate links. Since this account is new, there are no earnings yet. But as you watch this video, you'll notice that $0 turns into $100, $500, and so on. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video thus far. If you found this information interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. So, the next step is to seek for projects to promote. Simply click on Marketplace and you'll be taken to Kickbooster's Marketplace. As you scroll down below to this page, you'll be able to discover some of the projects that are available on Kickbooster. On the left side of the screen, you can select a category that you want to see. The Kickbooster marketplace is full of products that you can promote. They have beauty and personal care products, design, education, everyday fashion, food, games, health, home goods, outdoors, sporting goods, technology, and travel. To view all the available projects, simply click on any of these categories. In a moment, I'll show you which categories to select in order to make the most money. This is completely free, allowing you to earn a lot without breaking the bank. Okay, so here are the categories that I've created. These 3 categories include items that you can advertise and receive a high commission for. Click on these 3 categories to get a list of their items. Kickbooster will display them to you based on your selections. As I've mentioned at the beginning of the video, I will now show you the bonus tip that I have promised. In the drop-down menu labeled Sort By, I'd like you to choose Commission High to Low so that you can see which items give you a large commission when you advertise them. After selecting that, Kickbooster will display you the items with the greatest commissions. Scroll down to this page and you'll see these products that will pay you a hefty sum of money. You don't have to do much since all you have to do is share your affiliate link and wait for people to click on it, then they'll pay you your commission. Isn't that amazing? After that, we must select a product. You may choose anything you want. However, for this video, I'll be selecting this particular product because it has a high commission rate. When you click on it, you'll be redirected to their landing page where you can learn more about it. As you can see, they'll be paying you $30 for every dollar you help raise for their campaign. Now click on this View Campaign button to learn more about the project. This for sure is an excellent product, and if you share it with others, I think a lot of people will click on it. The wonderful thing about this is that it does not require a large number of individuals to click on your affiliate link in order for you to profit. Just 3 or 4 people will do. To market the product, simply click the button below and you'll be provided a unique affiliate link that you may copy and share with others. If you're wondering where you can share your link, don't worry, I'll show you some additional traffic sources where you can post your link, and I'm sure a lot of people use these websites because I use them myself. The first website where there's a lot of traffic is over at Quora.com. What you need to do on Quora is simply search for new technology and you'll be able to see people who are talking about this topic, and these people will be interested when you share your chosen product that you found on Kickbooster.com. You can simply reply to any of these posts and then talk about the product that you found on Kickbooster. The second website is Facebook, which I'm sure a lot of you have and can utilize to promote your affiliate link. What you need to do on Facebook is to look for technology enthusiasts and then join any of these groups. You can then interact with its members and then share your product from Kickbooster using your affiliate link. You can repeat this process over and over because Kickbooster has so many products to choose from. Then you'll be able to receive your commission in a matter of days and spend them as you choose. And that's it! Sharing these techniques with you is a lot of fun. All we hope is that you gain much from our videos and start earning real money. If you enjoy similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you won't miss on any of our videos. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. See you in the next video!